Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. A big update for all 2024 and 2025 batch students. Infosys has officially announced its System Engineer Trainee Recruitment 2025. In this video, I will walk you through the eligibility application process, selection stages, salary, and important dates. And make sure you stick till the end because I will also share some preparation tips for the Infosys online assessment and interviews. Let's talk about the Infosys Recruitment 2025. So Infosys is hiring freshers for the role of System Engineer Trainee across India. This is one of the biggest opportunity for students who want to start their career in IT with a leading company. Post name is System Engineer Trainee. Job type full-time private job, and posting is across India. Apply mode online. And the salary package is 3.6 LPA. Application is open till 15th September 2025. So hurry up, apply as soon as possible. Let's talk about the eligibility criteria. So, education requirements is 60% minimum in 10th and 12th, graduation with minimum 6 CGPA. The students must be from BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc, mathematics or integrated 5 years course. Now, eligible batches are 24 and 25 batches. So, if you are graduating in 24 and or 25 with the right CGPA and percentage, you are eligible. Now let's talk about the selection process. So Infosys will shortlist candidates through these stages. The first stage will be online assessment. This usually includes sections like logical reasoning, quantitative aptitude, verbal ability, pseudocode programming questions, and sometimes an essay writing round. Now the second round will be technical interview. Here you will be asked about your project, DSA, fundamentals, programming languages like Java, Python, C++, basic OOPS, DBMS, and OS concepts, and the HR interview. This will test your communication, confidence, and basic HR questions like strength, weakness, and why Infosys. Now let's talk about the salary detail. So as I already mentioned, it's 3.6 LPA. It's a good package for fresher starting out, and Infosys also provides amazing learning opportunity and career growth. Now, how to apply? Just go to the portal. I will provide the link in the description. Click on it. Just go and apply. The last date for the submission is 15th September, and Infosys is hiring after so many long time. So it's a great opportunity.